Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with an HDR source and a layer that can hold bright values. This preserves the highlights you need. Once you have that, make a new layer set to add or screen and set opacity around 0. 5:1. 0 so you can build intensity gradually. Then sketch thin guidelines with a soft brush at about 45 degrees, varying thickness to suggest depth. These are your templates for iridescent bands, and they must be spaced and angled consistently for believable shimmer. Now you transform guides into iridescent bands by mapping a spectrum across each line. Use gradient maps or hue shift while preserving luminance so colors change with brightness. Once colored, blur slightly with Gaussian blur to blend, then run a subtle high pass at 1 to 3 pixels and blend it to regain edge definition, which creates the luminous rim. Finally, paint a narrow specular highlight on a duplicate layer and set it to overlay or linear dodge to mimic finish by merging copies into a 32-bit working layer so you keep HDR information. Then tone map to your target display, making sure you preserve the iridescent peaks. Use curves and exposure adjustments to control overall bloom versus color saturation. Push midtones for color while protecting highlights from clipping. If your lines wash out or lose color, reduce bloom or lower the additive layer opacity, increase local contrast, and verify your color space. Mismatched profiles often mute iridescence, so fix that first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.